Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting newspaper, scissors, glue, a ruler, and a shallow bowl of water. This sets you up to work cleanly and fast. Tear along the printed columns to create even 8-10-inch strips, because straight edges make folding and rolling predictable. Once done, stack 4-6 sheets and smooth them with your palm to remove major creases. This improves adhesion and keeps shapes crisp. Make sure to work on a wipeable surface since ink can transfer, and proceed to shaping right away. Now you shape components to become the structure of your craft. Roll strips tightly around a skewer or pencil to form rods. Tight rolling yields stronger pieces, while loose rolls are flexible. Seal the ends and overlaps with diluted glue, 1 part glue to 1 part water, because thin glue soaks in and bonds fibers better. Layer strips across a simple cardboard frame to make panels, pressing each layer flat and letting it dry partially. This staged drying prevents warping and gives To finish, trim rough ends and lightly sand or scissor snip for neat edges. Finishing makes painted surfaces look professional. Once everything is fully dry, apply paint or varnish. Test one small area first so you know how the paper reacts. If a panel warps or bends, mist the wrong side with water, clamp it flat under a weight until dry, and then recoat. This rescues most deformations. Finally, assemble glued joints firmly and allow a full 24 hours of cure before handling heavily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.